I get asked quite a bit here as far as when would be a good time to hire a CPA. And so I wanted to share some of my thoughts with you as far as at what point does it make sense to hire a tax professional. Before I dive in there, I just want to clarify a couple things. One is you do not necessarily need to have a CPA file your tax return. There's also a thing called what's called an enrolled agent, or EA. And then technically, anybody can file taxes on behalf of another person. The key would be is whether or not they have the qualifications or experience to do so. But the CPA and the EA are the only folks that are legally able to represent you to the IRS. So if you wanted to have that level of protection, those would be the main designations to look out for. But as far as when you might want to hire a CPA or an EA or have a tax preparers, number one, what if you just don't want to do it? So then you have somebody else and it's worth your time and effort and not having to stress about it. That would be one key point. But generally, as far as when the CPA or EA start to kind of out-earn their pay, as far from my standpoint, it will be when starting when buying a home and having kids. Those are usually the first points of time where now there's enough deductions and things to consider where having that knowledge base they start to pay for their costs. The other situations, if you have like a side hustle, in particular, if that side hustle is doing quite well, there may be some business tax deductions that the CPA or EA can walk you through in order to try to, again, get the right deductions and file the taxes. So usually it's those life moments, home, kiddos, or if you have a little more complexity with a business, a side hustle that's doing quite well, trying to find all those deductions and find those opportunities to save you some money. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.